Hey Google, play Megan Thee Stallion.
Playing Megan Thee Stallion on Apple Music.
I don't know if you guys can see, but this is literally my house.
Working for that pussy, but don't even have a job. This insane ass honey, she was posting last month. You say I'm a gold digger, cause I love rich niggas. I'm a money making bitch, and I can make some money richer. And he always at the club, but ain't never at the bank. And he keep trying to come over like he needs somewhere to stay. Boys got a real nigga, by the way that he move. And he went and bought him something, he was like, ain't no lame, you can't run no game on the
Hey
game.
Google,
And I'm paid, bitch, I'm still
pause the
made. I was
music.
made for it.
So guys, I just cleared this area for my bed. Like I said, I don't know if I want my mirror to stay here. I feel like I want my mirror to come here. You guys can see this mirror, right? I want it to mirror face like
Why are you trying to be my girl? I can't believe don't you have a man?
I take like outfit pictures. I think here, I feel like this place is no much like so I feel like this place is small. You guys see what I'm saying? Like this place is not bad, but here I just like, can you guys see like it's smaller, like the space between the spaces is small, so like there'll be more sunlight. Let's just transfer it and see. It's going on tonight. Want to Calabi. Guys, can you see the mirror here? I like it like this. Like I like the window, but I just feel like there's more sunlight here. I like this. I like it. I like what is going to be the background. I like it here because of what the background is going to look like. I like this way better. I don't want to make it straight or going to be slanted. Let's see now. Someone has to build my bed. Alright, this is the bed. I think I told you guys how the bed looks like. I already told you it's like this nice nude color. Like I was having second thoughts about this bed ever since I ordered it. I was just like, oh my god, will it match? Like I wanted all white, but at the point I was like, yo, I have all my furniture, my bedding is white, everything is white, so I was just like, let me just stay with it. And I really like the color. Like it matches my wall color anyway. It's really cute. So I'm just gonna put it together now. And oh my god, I hate this part of arranging, putting furniture together. It's really annoying. And I was so happy that all these other furniture already came like ready. I didn't have to like stress. Guys, I'm struggling so hard on way to my bed. Like my bed, I wanted it to go here first, but can you guys see how long it is? And this shelf here, this bookcase here, still has to go somewhere here. So like that is not going to work. But I really want my mirror to be here. I really like my mirror being here because I would like the background of having this space here. So I was thinking maybe my bed will just go. Oh my god, this is so confusing. I have decided to just leave my bed here, put it down here because I really like where my mirror is. But if I put it down then I don't like it, I can change it. But just to have sure my bed is done, like every other part of my room is arranged. Then if I don't like how the position is, I can always change it. just made the frame of my bed. But the issue now is, can you guys see the frame of my bed? It looks so cute. The bed comes with this stuff, like the planks are supposed to go here. But I also have a bed, I don't know what this is called. Bed, basically the wood stuff that goes under the bed. So both of this cannot, like, the book cannot work together. I overbought stuff and I really don't want to go through the stress of like I'm selling because it's just really stressful. I really like how it looks on the mattress. I haven't put the mattress on yet, but it is so cute. I really like this, and I don't think it will be a problem because, like, I think I said, like, the bed is here and I still have the space for the mirror, so I don't know yet, yeah, but I like this. This isn't bad. I am thinking maybe this bed I'm going to turn it to this place. I have my mirror facing here, but I don't know. Let's just put this down for today. If I don't like it, I can always change it. So, but this is cute. I like this. I'm a strong woman. Now that I'm done with my bed, you guys will see my bed. Now that I'm done with my bed, I want to put the whole remaining part of my room. That is basically, you guys can see the drawers and my tables. Oh my god, this is going to be a lot of work. We are pushing through, so we're just going to do that now. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. This vlog is not boring because I really don't know. I really like watching these kinds of videos. I really love them. I really like to make them. I hope you guys are not loving it, then I feel sad. So I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. So yeah, I was arrange the rest of my room and I'm gonna see you guys later. So I decided to go with this formation. Like, I wanted both of them. My mom was like, I should put both of them together, but I really didn't like the idea. Like, I saw a lot of things on Pinterest and most of them had it like this, but I'm trying to make it as minimalistic as possible. So basically I'm going to try, and once I put up my stand, once I put on my bookshelf, I'll be moving this a little bit further out. Once I be able to put up my bookshelf, I'm going to put my bookshelf either here or here. It's going to be by the wall, so I don't know. It's either going to come here or come here. I don't know, guys. Can you see this cute? Is it I don't know what it's called. Oh my goodness, I'm going to try and put the name. But I got this off Amazon. It was so cute. Oh, I can't wait till I have it for the glass and have it beside my bed. It's going to be so cute. It's going to be so classic, so pretty. So I decided to go with this formation. I don't know how I feel about it. It's not bad, but I just feel like it could be better. So guys, this is how it looks. Right, this is so fine. I am still going to get rid of everything here because I want this to be like as neat as possible. Basically, I'm going for a minimalistic look, so literally I'm not going to put anything on them as the plan. Maybe here I just have like a round mirror. If you're trying to get like a round mirror, and but the plan is to clear everything here and put it on this stuff, the bookcase. Once the bookcase is assembled, which I don't think I'll be able to do today anymore. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Don't mind how I look, okay? I don't always look like this.
When you drunk, you tell me that like
Oh my god, guys, like look at this. I've always wanted something like this, like having this. I've always admired when people had this in their bathrooms. Like, oh my god, I will put in mine in my room because you guys know my bathroom is really tiny. So, but guys, can you see this? Oh yes, I'm so happy. My organization dreams are coming true. So now I'm just going to do my my drawers for my skincare now.
You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby, got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a, you already know, dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side, text you but I know you probably courtside, know I gotta come and check the whole man baby, hold tight, I just touched the city with the cheap block stains, and we got adopted by some fit for strangers, you know what it means when I twist these fingers, me and you being on a first name basis, why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit, same reason that you never left me hanging, same reason that I tried to make you famous, same reason that I tried to show you just who I was, outside of the club, outside the things that are raining on me, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club, show you just who I was.